Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you are looking for maybe a little shortcut on a busy weeknight for dinner, then I want to show you this Saffron Road coconut curry korma sauce. Now, this simmer sauce is awesome because it is already prepared and ready to go. All you need to do is add your meat and veggies, or if you want to serve with a side of rice or some naan bread, whatever you like, and it's so delicious. So it has a really beautiful flavor. You've got a little bit of the curry flavor, cardamom, turmeric. It's a beautiful color and it's just delicious. So I love that you can customize this by adding whatever you like to it, and you can even add more spice to it if you like things a little bit with more heat. So many options. It's a really great base to start from. So I love this simmer sauce. It is really delicious and I've been really happy with it. And I love that it is also gluten-free and non-GMO. So this is a great product to keep in the pantry for those busy weeknights when you need a little extra help. And that is my point of view.